It isn't the first time we want to share some interesting ways to organize your bathroom and a bunch of creative bathroom storage ideas with you. The reason behind that is that the bathroom is undoubtedly one of the most important rooms in any house or apartment. It's the place where you're getting ready to go out, where you can relax and let off all your problems and daily stress, and where you simply cleaning your teeth. That's why it should be very well organized and clutter-free. We hope our tips, tricks and hacks would help you to find a place for all these towels, toilet paper, makeup, toothpaste, and other things that usually could be found in any bathroom, small or big. You'll learn how to make the most out of small bathrooms and how to organize storage in spacious bathrooms without hurting their design. We also have a separate roundup that features storage ideas for small bathrooms only. Although here you'll find lots of different bathroom organization ideas too, including awesome open shelving solutions, beautiful cabinets, cute ways to label things, clever uses of basket storage, interesting makeup storage ideas, unique cabinet storage hacks, clever ways to hide storage, and much more. Check this out. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell button to get the latest video notifications from us. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends or family. See you in the next video.